Hey everyone, you can now query your Lightdash semantic layer from anywhere where you can run Python. We just launched the new Python SDK and I'm going to show you really quickly how to use it. So it's a great way to consume your metrics inside of notebooks or inside of orchestration environments. So I'm going to use a Hex notebook here to show you the basics of the SDK. So the first thing I've done is I've installed Lightdash and then I'm going to go ahead and import it. So I'm installing this and this is available now so you can go ahead and try this out. And then the first thing that you need to do to establish a connection is to create a Lightdash client. And so this connects up your notebook to your semantic layer so you can start pulling metrics. And as soon as you've got that, you can already start listing out the models that are inside of your semantic layer. So here I have, for example, my users, my baskets, my support requests that are available. And these are the starting point for executing any queries. There's also some cool features in this SDK because it's typed so that if I say, okay, I want to pull out the orders model, I can do client.models. And if I type DBT, it shows all of the matching models here. So let's pull out the DBT orders. And so this is the start of my query. And on the orders table, I'm going to list out all of the metrics that are available. Okay, now let's run our first query. So I'll take the orders table and I'll do orders query. And then for my metrics, I'll make it the sum of the basket total. And then I'm going to ask for this as a data frame. So now it's computed the total revenue and we didn't have to write any logic to pull this out. This has just come straight from our data warehouse through the semantic layer. And let's make this a bit more complicated. Let's start adding a dimension in here. So we could say dimensions is order.dimensions. Let's see what we've got. We've got the partner ID or the partner name. Let's take the partner name. And I'm just going to re-execute the query. And again, I get this nice data frame. And so this actually supports Polars or Pandas. So if you have either of those installed, you can ask for this back as a Polars data frame or a Pandas data frame. And now in Hex, I can just ask for a chart. And it's going to pick up results as my data set that I pulled from Lightdash. And now I have it. I have a chart of all of the sales that I've made split by partner name. That's come straight from Lightdash. And so you can do this anywhere. You can do it inside of notebooks to do kind of further EDA. You could do it in Streamlit in order to, build out an interactive app. Or you could do it in your orchestration engine to be the beginning of a new ETL process. So there's loads of new features coming out for this. So watch this space. Go ahead and install it. You can use it now, and I'm interested to see what people think.